used to want me. I'm gonna let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you?
Hey guys, it's Saturday night. I'm just sitting here watching videos on YouTube. Getting in the mood for our cruise. Daydreaming. Can't wait until February. Trying to plan costumes, and right now we only have 3 themes given to us, so there will be several more themes given to us later this month, so we can plan the rest of our costumes. But I've already started planning. I haven't ordered anything yet, but I think I might order a few things tonight, so that I can space out the expenses. For those of you that don't know, gay cruises are amazing for parties. There are tea dances every afternoon and parties every night. And every tea dance and every party has a different theme. So it is very well known that each theme, people will dress up for them. Last year, I went pretty simple with my costumes for the tea dances. You know, I just kind of went with maybe like a pair of shorts and maybe a hat or a t-shirt or some beads or something that went along with it to kind of tie me in a little bit. But for the evening dances, I went a little bit more in depth. So, like, to give you an example, I'm going to pull out my packet from last year, and I can show you some of the themes that they had. So, like, for one of the afternoon tea dances, it was a royal tea dance, which I dressed up a little bit more for. I had a big rhinestone, huge necklace and a tiara and big diamond earrings that went all the way to my shoulders. And we had a key party, which, if you don't know what that is, in our instance, they actually had little keys that were color-coded, and you just wore them on a necklace, and you went around, and if your keys matched colors, it means that you were looking for the same thing. So you kind of hooked up for either casual stuff or friendship or looking for right now, or you were already taken, or other various things. We had a get to know each other party. We had a noir party, which is leather. We had Kinky Red, which is themed to the show Kinky Boots, and everybody wore red. We had I'm Coming Out. It was more of like an 80s theme, and those were just a few of the party themes that we had. So the 3 themes that we have given to us for planning already is Valentine's Day, because we're going to be gone for Valentine's Day. Mardi Gras, because we'll also be at sea for Mardi Gras. And just like we had the red theme for one of them, we have cerulean for one of them this year. So, you know, it'll be all shades of blue. So, I have already gone to Amazon and I've started putting together my wish list. I've been doing that, since they announced the cruise, because they, announced two of those themes early on, the Valentine's Day and Mardi Gras, because we knew we were going to be at sea for those. So they announced those really early. And I put together my wish lists and costume ideas and put those all into a cruise wish list that I had. And now, with it being 2 months out, I will start to purchase and make decisions for those. So I was on my computer here, just looking at some blue shorts and blue swim trunks, and I'm not quite brave enough to do Speedos because I don't have the best body yet, but I'm sure there will be plenty of guys wearing blue Speedos and blue jock straps and sarongs. I might do a sarong. I did a red sarong for the red party last year. So I might do a blue sarong if I find one that I like. But I found a couple really nice loose blue yoga shorts that I really like. So I might get those, but I'm definitely amping up my planning and purchasing right now. I'm getting super excited about the cruise, and the next phases, which will be, I just got my final email stating that I had a zero balance, which you get usually when they take the final payment, which is 2 months out, and then we'll get an email about a month out saying, this is what you need to do for preparing for arriving, and then about a week out they'll send another email saying, your cruise is here, make sure you print out all your documents and all that stuff. But for now, I'll look through my emergency kit and see if I need to replenish it with anything. But I don't think I used anything out of it from last year, so I'll just see if anything has expired and see if I need to put anything in it. I also will look at purchasing anything that I feel like I missed from last year, which we didn't have any motion sickness last year, so I don't think we need any Dramamine or anything like that. I always take it with us just in case, but I'll do another video and show you everything that I have in my emergency kit and my medicine kit. But for now, I just wanted to kind of talk about the early phases of costume preparation. So I've already started my lists, and maybe I'll go through showing you my Amazon wish list. All right. Just to give you guys a quick idea of what I have in here, I have stuff like light up sunglasses and light up gloves for the blue party, some blue feather stuff for around the neck. I thought about maybe doing some feathers for Mardi Gras, some Mardi Gras masks, some purple tights, maybe with this cape that I found. And then I thought maybe for Valentine's Day party I would do some kind of a red mask, or maybe a white lace mask. And then I thought, well, maybe I won't go so drastic, I'll just do like a pink and red shirt, maybe with some pink loose pants. And then I found these rompers, and I thought, oh, how fun would that be? And then I also found some sarongs and some blue shorts that I thought, well, maybe it'll just be cool. And then I found these really, really fun pink stuff for the Valentine's dance. So some capes if I really wanted to go wild. And then, of course, some more Mardi Gras stuff. And then some fans, because you can't be too gay at a gay cruise. So we'll see what I end up purchasing, and I'll show you guys as they start coming in what I actually purchased. Okay, I'm going to wrap up for now and get this video edited and posted onto YouTube. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful evening this Saturday night, and hope you're having fun. You know, of course, I'm living the life of a party animal here, making videos. I went out last night, so I decided to stay in tonight. But the night is still young. It's only 8 o'clock. I could still end up going out tonight if anybody hits me up. But we'll see. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Stay positive, be well, and just enjoy life. Thanks, guys.